Good morning, 10th Standard English Medium, GT Shet Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome again in video lecture series. Today we are talking about Sanskrit lesson number 10, Tvameka Bhavani, written by Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya is a great personality. In last video lecture I am talking about more from him, and in last video lecture I discussed shlok number 1 to 3 on front of him. Okay guys, today we are discussing about shlok number 4 and 5th. This is the stotra. Stotra means it is the holy things in Sanskrit literature. It is great tradition in Sanskrit literature. Stotra Kavya is preaching to God. It is prayer to God, not preaching. Stotra Kavya is preaching to us. It is prayer to God. So now it is very wonderful things in Sanskrit literature, and Jagadguru Shankaracharya is make so many different type of sutras are there. So Tvameka Bhavani, it is very different type of sutra. This is a base of worship to goddess Parvati. This is the base about this Stotra Kavya. Okay guys, it is very wonderful shloks are there, as well as in singing mode also. So now shlok number 4 and 5, both shlok from the complete the following verses criteria, and 1, 2, 3 shloks from the translation as well as sometimes expand idea. And this is the poem lesson. It's a very important poem lesson in your Sanskrit textbook. So now guys, I hope so you can learn by heart shlok number 4 and 5th, as well as you are written all the shloks in your notebook. Today we start shlok number 4 and 5. विवादे विषादे प्रमादे प्रवासे जले चानले पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये सदा मां प्रपादि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी. O Bhavani, please protect me, always protect me, and vivade in arguments, and vishade in dukh, in sorrow, pramade in laziness, prasade, pravase in journey, jale chanale in water as well as in the agni, it means in the fire, parvate as mountain, shatru madhye in between enemies, aranye in forest, sharanye it means among the enemies, and sada mam prapahi, always protect me, gatisthvam tvameka bhavani, you are just my only the way of protection. Oh goddess Parvati, I refugee, and you are my protector. So shlok number 5, anatho daritro jararoge yukto महाक्षीण दीन सदा जाड्य वक्त्र विपत्तो विशिष्ट प्रणष्ट सदाहम गतिस्वम त्वमेका भवानी. Anath, orphan means which one? They have no parents, they have no family. So I am orphan, I am poor, I am suffering from jara, vruddhavastha, old age, rogue, disease, and mahaksheenadina. I am very miserable and helpless. My face is always dull. I am plugged into the calamity, and so vipatto pravishta, when I am enter in the difficulties, calamities, you must be protect me. So this is the reality about the life. When we are going in old age, we are suffering from this type of things in our life. So Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya is explain his or other person's reality about in this shlok. So now, O goddess Parvati, you are just protect me. Why? Because you are mother and I am your son. So this all shloks are it is devotion type of the shloks, and Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya written very nicely. So you can remember shlok number 4 and 5. Okay guys, today we are talking about exercise also. On page number 46, there is the exercise about Vikalpebhyah Samuchitam Uttaram Chirutam. Means you must be select the correct answer, correct option. These all 5 questions in Sanskrit. Vritti Shabdasya Ka Artha. There is the one mistakes in option. There is the Vritti means livelihood. जीवन चर्या नहीं वर्तन प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति they all 4 are not right answer. It is vritti means livelihood. So आजीविका. Second question, कुत्र प्रविष्य भक्तस्य भवानी एका गति वर्तते. विपत्तो प्रविष्य भक्तस्य भवानी एका एव गति वर्तते. विपत्तो means मुश्किली means difficulties. भवानी इति पदमस्ति. इट इज संबोधन. इट इज संबोधन पदमस्ति. न जानामि लयं वा कदाचित्. न जानामि व्रतं लयं वा कदाचित्. एंड गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी. इट इज त्वमेका भवानी. द राइट आंसर इज दिस. ओके नाउ गाइस, रेखांकित पदानां स्थाने प्रकोष्ठात् उचितं पदं चित्वा प्रश्नवाक्यं रचय. सो नाउ यू आर वेरी मच फैमिलियर अबाउट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. The answer is given in the brackets and you must be choose the right word from the brackets, and then after you write down the question sentence. Samasa prakara likhata. It is very important. Samas all are this Anath, Jadivaktra, Shatru Madhye in Dhyan Yoga. I hope so you can search all samas from the glossary. Question number 5, Angla Bhashayam Uttare Likhata. There is 4 type of the English question and you must be write down the answer very easily in yourself, for yourself. Why? Because it is a question in English, so you must be write the answer in English. Sometimes devotion of Adi Jagadguru Shankaracharya. This type of short note is accepted from this lesson, but it is a very easy lesson. It is poem lesson, and most important part about this lesson is like that. Question number 6, Shlok Purti Kuruta, Vivade Vishade Shlok, and then Anatho Daridro Shlok. Both are important for the complete the verses. In whole textbook there is only the 7 shloks are important for the complete the following verses, and very handy for these 2 in that type of questions. But when you are writing in complete the following verses, you must be very much careful for each and every Sanskrit right words. So now it is very compulsory and very important. When you mistakes writing in Sanskrit word, you have lost the marks. So you can carry about this written things in Sanskrit, especially the right word and right spellings in Sanskrit. Okay guys, so now I hope so you enjoy the lesson number 10, Tvameka Bhavani. And this is the great lesson. It is a very remembered lesson. And next video lecture we are talking about more of lesson number 11. But when I will start lesson number 11, before that I will talk about the Sanskrit grammar on front of you. Okay guys, so now we complete the lesson number 1 to 10 easily, very nicely, and I announce my homework in this my video lecture. I give the exercise about the lesson number 10, so you can write very nicely lesson number 10's whole shlok in your notebook, and then after write the question answer which one I discuss in this video lecture, and then after give me at the Monday. My homework always give me at the Monday. Okay guys, all the best. Take care yourself and doing nice homework very sincerely, very in good efforts, and good handwriting, nice handwriting. Okay guys, take care yourself. Have a nice day.